Me and Javi and a friend for years before Javi come on TikTok come be friends with them and let me tell you something. A Dyema have me up for Javi. Yeah? Let me tell you.
But then alright.
Let me tell you why.
Yet.
Let me tell you why she have me up for him. Me and this boy used to talk from school days. Me and the boy done. I have one look at something we did go on. Me and him not talk. Me and him be friends again. Couple years after when him come back at town come live. Me and him stop talk again. Me and him talk back again. And then time them just a meet Akima everybody. When I talk about me like friends wise, cause ever since we left from them high schoolers we never talk back. Javi end up come on TikTok. You see when Javi come on TikTok before Javi know Dyema, me used to then a Javi comments. Cause before him and Dyema talk, he used to always upon him live and tell story. He ever give people them story timeline. I used to comment and say, what are we gonna give them full story timeline? I used to give him and think. Way before Dyema coming at the picture. You see, before Dyema know Javi, me and Dyema used to dip on live every single day. We used to play a deer game every day. We used to dip on 4-way with Zumba them, everything. You see, from the day Dyema and Javi go start talk, I think him must tell her say we are talking. She never know nothing. I mean, never yet come really speak on him on the internet. Me always tell me story them, but they never used to know who me a talk. Me never come out into a picture and say that person and me a talk. Me just always talk the story. So me know him tell her personally say we used to talk. You see, friends should be friends with Javi and them start to them look a serious start. Dyema crush. Dyema not play much with me again. When me start send Dyema request, Dyema decline me right through. She declined me. But I tell you one time when I realized that Dyema not really into me. I think Anish, I remember one of the TikTokers they must go dead. I remember who they dead. Every one of the rankers they go. I did a RIQ live and everybody RIQ show me everybody. I'm gonna say with Dyema there. And he say I'm gonna look for Dyema. So when they give Dyema a phone, Dyema they stand up beside the Enhance. And when Dyema take the phone, you see the energy when Dyema give me Dyema coming like she said, wow. True me there so with Enhance or you know you can't even the people them in the comments did a comment and I say, why Dyema? Oh, she got one part, you don't know Enhance.
So you and him never in no business.
Yeah, Enhance used to talk. But Dyema the road, Enhance in one party, she stand up right beside the Enhance. Me never know say Enhance beside her, you know. So the attitude that she give me is like, maybe she say, I watch you me there beside the Enhance, I probably want Enhance to see her. The attitude that she did give me, even people them in the comments, I say, well, make Dyema go on so. You see, from the night there, I tell myself, say, I add back Dyema for my life. I not send her no more requests. No, she not decline me. She has shown me too much signs, so she not into me. So I say, alright, I now go follow her. One day, I the live and she send me one request. Because I stop sending her requests now, you know. One day, I never yet come speak about it. I never yet say, what are we Dyema no want answer me that. I just not PR in the mind. One day, I the live and Dyema send me one request. It's when I accept the request, Dyema knows she up on the live with figure it out, you know, and she add me to the live. I don't know if the people remember the live there. She sent me a request and I accept it. She a figure it out up on the live. And I go so me look like me a figure it out jump at the same time. Me jump. When she add me jump. And when me come off on the live later, me see screen record. And when it shows them me jump, it to the dip on the him did jump to and she add him back and she laugh. And he must say, him a laugh to and him a say, I fuck you doing that, fuck we do that for she did I laugh. They say from that to me say, you know what? We just stay far from Dyema. And from that day, me and Dyema no cross path again. She know, me no send her no request, no. One next time again, Monster come out, come say Dyema shot him. You remember when the argument did I go on? We say Dyema shot him. And me take it up on my head and me class Monster for Dyema, you know. Class Monster for Dyema, me bring down Monster no blood clot. You know, say 2 days after when Dyema, she back and forth on live. 2 days after Dyema go live, and the people never say, all want go and Vanny pick up Fiona or whatever. And she, I don't know, because she did angry when she say, me and one girl, me don't want nobody cuss for me cuss for myself. And then she start class monster again. And me, she talk, and me, the people them a tell her, say, did a cuss for her. And she say, me and one girl, me don't need nobody for cuss for me, you know. Me I take her that dirty boy by myself. And then she just jump in and start cuss the monster.
So,
I'm looking at myself and me I say,
cut his story and a man feelings.
you have to use the word correctly. What you mean, Uno? Or B can be or B if you bring man feelings to one boy when we do it from high school. When me and him I did friend before man Dyema friend and him I play and I tell story about how much woman and it never done nothing to me. Remember me ever said she request and she ever dodge my request them and she ever give me attitude when me and her play a match. I'm more likely to she and the boy they know. But I don't know if she feel like me I would on the screen when him dep on it and laugh or whatever. And she I mean, just not pay it no man. I say, you know, one day me and her cuss. I mean, I tell you, and not even them then. This is the most reason why I don't see a man problem she care about. One day when me and her cuss, you know what the woman do? The woman draw from one picture on her phone and say, this make me mad. And show me one tattoo. Show me one tattoo when Javi must put on her name. I swear upon my dead granny life, and not even know say Javi put a Dyema name. I tell you all the while, me watch Akeem and Rosalie more than how me watch Dyema. I don't watch Dyema and Javi, honestly. For them series, boring. It's just that them have more chemistry than Rosalie and Akeem. Me more for watch Rosa and Akeem more than Javi and Dyema. I don't watch them. Me see them up on my For You page, and when me see them, me scroll past them. I don't watch them. The only reason why, the longest me ever watch them, and when the four of them up on screen, or when they go out for dinner, or them there Airbnb, I don't watch them. So when she come on live and she say, and this make me mad because Javi put, I never know say Javi put a Dyema name. I never know that. And when me and her cuss, and she show me say that make me vex. Then and there, me know say, alright. Now me know why you don't talk to me because a man can. Oh, me and you cuss about something and you go tell me, say, and this make me vex.
Alright.
Say, I pray.
Let them go on about their business, you hear? Nobody let them go on about their business. You can't give me one next game after Nuggets, please. I love you so much.
Yeah, take the streaks, them and the body that they have to shoot for me. Me nah the body for shoot for me.
You can't
Me not see nobody here would have saved them Gary gone. And me not have nobody here. I take my streaks them. I be a shooter you have over there. So my black and dummy him can't come back.
What make?
Cause in my cloud chase time see one little video with me. And he go run, go make video and a scratch. You can't do that. And you say me and your friend. You will do anything for your little views. And if you show me that, me I block you. Ziggy man this.
One Vani.
No,
King, I'm
yeah,
gone.
don't make it. Hi, Alder, baby. Hi. He said he got permission. Lie. If people them up on him live, him say man put my name in a court, in the book.
Vani, look at.
He said man put my name in a one book for court. And I said that not gonna bother me. Yeah, me never give no permission or you talk about permission if you go make video with your friend or something.
Lifestyle. Lifestyle, King.
Did he cook or his girl?
Whoa, God.
Let me see food. Yeah, me take out my lip filler. Let me see food.
The food, Evan. I'm business partner cooking. See the lobster and shrimp or whatever.
Business
partner is crazy.
Guys, me don't like your ear again. Me feel like they put too much of that ear here, so it's stuck here, so. And then they don't put enough down here, so they should have put more.
Alright, for
The ear the level, more ear for the dog here, so too.
Girl, here,
Tell you look stuck good girl, you know. It's like they don't know if you do here. Every time I go there, they fuck me up.
Bonnie here, alright, girl.
Me too. Me too.
Yeah.
They always fuck me up too.
Hi,
What one king?
Me see one
No,
Dyema works. They fox it in a business place, but what we can have the people that
no, I never had the most.
That's the same thing I asked him about. I was like, why are you on my For You page giving trouble? That's what I asked.
Right. You see,
King. Vani, me I tell you, cause for that, only day I'm after telling you the truth. Bro, all the we can explain for me. King Tavi can't tell you no. Sneaky them can't tell you no. Bro, we know Rose a long time before Jaden. Long time. Bro, Rose can tell us the Ziggy Jar the blueprint. You understand, bro?